Oh my god. Okay. Oh, there's a bug in my lamp. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some unboxing of my Boxycharm. This is my February Boxycharm. I'm super excited. I know what's in the box. I'm very excited to try it on. And we're going to see how things go. So if you don't know about Boxycharm, it is $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products every month, and it is an amazing deal, and the value is usually well over $100. So it's amazing, amazing, amazing. All beauty products, and the theme this month is Galactic Glow. So this little card comes in the box, and it tells you all of the things that are in the box and gives you a description, the retail price. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why I look like I was caught in a torrential downpour, it's because I just was. So I was outside with my dogs, and it was not raining when I took them outside, and then suddenly, torrential downpour. So yeah, that's why my hair is wet and my shirt is wet, so don't mind that. Anyway, back to the topic. We got this little brush set here. This is from, I believe this is from Crown. Yes, these are Crown Pro brushes. This is a trio brush set. It retails for $29.99. And let's see, this is supposed to contour your face to perfection. So I just have foundation and a little bit of bronzer on right now. So this guy is just a little concealer brush. I already have concealer on, but it feels nice and soft. And yeah, I think I would actually really like this for concealer. We can try to use it for something else too when we do eyeshadow. This little guide is supposed to be for sculpting the cheekbones and the perimeter of the face. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go in with my Tarte's Pro Glow palette. It is Use and Abuse, and I'm going to go into the shade Sculpt right here. And I'm going to take just a little bit and go right into the hollows of my cheeks. And I'm going to be using very soft circular motions. Yeah, I mean, this definitely, I mean, shoot, that really adds a contour. I wish it was a little fluffier because I feel like it's not blending the product. I mean, it's placing it really nicely, but it doesn't really blend it so much. It puts the product on very pigmented. So I don't know if I'm necessarily loving that, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We can work with her. We'll do a little under the lip to look a little pouty. On the sides of the nose. And, oh dear God, do we attempt the forehead? Sure, why not? We'll just go easy on the forehead, if possible. This really, like, deposits a ton of product. And then, this bigger brush is supposed to be a powder brush to set the whole face. So let's just, I guess, we'll blend that out with this brush because, oh, that was a lot of contour. We're chiseled. Actually, this is a really nice soft brush. I bet this would be nice, like, right under the eye, like here, to set with translucent powder. I bet I would like that. This is a really nice soft brush. Next up, we have the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. Can we just take a second because, oh my God. This is so freaking beautiful. This is a holographic highlighter collection. And, like, are you kidding me? Look at these colors. If you can even see they're, well, you can see it in this light. They're all, like, you got a pink, a purple, a peach, a yellow, a blue, a green. Gorgeous. So this actually really reminds me of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Highlighting Pro palettes. This is absolutely stunning. I was really excited about this. And this retails for, how much does this retail for? $39.99. So you get 6 shades in here, and this is going to look really cool with any kind of, like, I don't know, any kind of, like, avant-garde kind of look or, like, galaxy look. So, but there's a couple shades that I could use every day. So, like, maybe, like, the pinkier ones. Yeah, sure. So let's do, what should we do? Let's try the pinky one first, the pinky peachy, and see how that goes. Ooh. Okay, so they're pigmented. It shows up really nicely. Definitely very pinky. It's hard to see it on camera because the lights are so bright, but ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you can see, like, if I get up close, maybe you can see how, like, actually pink it is. Let's try this like super duochrome. I mean, they're all duochromy, but we'll try this pink one on the nose. Ooh. Okay, so that's got like a purple shift to it. That's kind of cool. Oh my god. Yes. It's got like a blue purpley shift to it. Ooh, that's so cool. Let's put the purple one on top. Ooh, yes, that is purple. That is purple AF. Oh. I look like I just came out of the galaxy. Sure, let's put the blue on top of it. Why not? I'm kind of living for it, I'm not gonna lie. These, oh my god, these would actually be amazing in the inner corner. Let's see, let's take the purple one and pop it in the inner corner. Because I bet, oh yes. That's like an are you effing kidding me highlight right there. That is gorgeous! Oh my god, yes. Yes. Yes, so hard. 1,000 times yes. Oh my god, that is stunning. This actually really reminds me of, not just the Jeffree Star one, but ironically the Kat Von D one, the Alchemist palette. Oh, those are so pretty, and this really reminds me of that. So, good job, Naked Cosmetics and Boxycharm. This was a huge win for me. Dig it. I will use that 1,000 times over. So, win, win, win. Next up, we have the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. Looks like this. It's just a little pencil. Normal eyeliner. You have to use a sharpener with this one. And this retails for $21. So this is actually a pretty pricey eyeliner. We've gotten some highlighters from this brand before, and I have liked them. I use them more as like a topper because they're kind of subtle, but I do like this brand. Let's put it in the waterline and see. It's very black for sure. This definitely needs to dull down a little bit because it's a little stabby. It's a little stabby. Beauty is pain. I don't think it's as smooth as my Marc Jacobs one, which is my absolute all-time favorite, the highliner. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can tight line. Okay, that is stabby. Oh god. I would use that again. I think it's really nice. Would I pay $21 for it necessarily on its own? Probably not, because I could get a Marc Jacobs one that I like better. But I do like it. The next thing in the box, which is what I was the most excited for out of anything in the entire world that we've ever gotten in Boxycharm, is this Cover FX Shimmervale. These are brand new from Cover FX. I was dying to try this so hard. And these are going to retail for $28. They're multi-use shimmering cream colors. They're crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering eye effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. So we're about to put this bitch up in everywhere. It is so shimmery and gorgeous. Oh, I die. So I'm just going to pop this all over my lid. I really think that this is going to compete with the, what are they called? The Stila Magnificent Metals. Oh, okay, like, are you people seeing this? Because this is like porn for makeup lovers. Like, it's doing something to me. This is literally stunning. You can hear my dog's heavy breathing in the background. That's how good this is. That is so beautiful! Oh my god. Cover FX. Oh my god. Girl, I can get down with this. I can get down. I'm getting down. I got down. We're down. I want to put a little bit of that Naked Cosmetics on top of this. Let's see what happens when we put like this duochromy pinky purpley on top. I'm just going to take my finger and just like pat. Like, nothing crazy, but oh yeah. Now we're doing something, people. Side note, you don't have to set these, but holy crap, when you do with this, girl. Now I'm going to take this Cover FX again, and I'm going to use it as a lip topper, because why not? We're Coachella AF today. Low-key, this is freaking beautiful. My mom actually sent me a picture of her wearing this the other day because she gets Boxycharm and she's obsessed with it too. And she's like, girl, this is my color. I'm like, yeah, I know. If purple is everybody's color. If purple shimmer isn't your color, then we are not related. Ooh, yeah. So now that we look crazy, I guess, I'll take this last thing in the box. This is the Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer from Seraphine Botanicals. This retails for $24. So basically this is just going to hydrate and exfoliate your lips really well. Really. So I'm going to put a little on my finger, just a little, and we're going to rub off this craziness. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, so I do like this. I feel like it needs more sugar in it. It tastes really good, it smells really good, but I don't know, I just wish it had more sugary beads so it exfoliated better. Overall, I think this was a really good box. No surprise, I think these two were my favorite, the Cover FX and the Naked Cosmetics palette, because they're funky and they're different and they're shimmery AF, so I'm digging that. Yeah, I think overall the value was amazing. As always, if you are interested in trying Boxycharm for yourself, you can look in the description box and I will put a link down there that leads you to Boxycharm, and I'm sure you will thank me later. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below and let me know what your favorite product in the box was this month. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.